Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture to literally anything on your PlayStation 4 account. Now to do this, you will need the mobile application. So on your phone, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and select this. And then go to the search icon on the top and type in PlayStation application and get this installed on your phone. And sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Now, just on the home screen of the application, go to your profile and select this. Then you will have an option for edit profile right here. So let's select that. Then you'll have to sign back in, typically, by entering a password. Then you can see your profile picture right here. Let's simply go to edit. Then you can go to change profile picture, or you can use your avatar. Now your profile picture will only be displayed to your close friends. So your friends and anyone else will see your avatar. So this is just for people you know. Then let's go to change picture. And here are a bunch of pictures I kind of took recently just with my camera. But we can go up to the top and we can change it from recent to images. We can go to our download list. Then if we select images on the top, we can see our screenshots, our camera, Facebook memes, pictures, Snapchats, etc. So we can find the area which our pictures are stored really easily. So I just chose cameras, so things I took a picture of recently. So you can just choose one of these images and your profile picture will be updated on your profile now. So this will also apply to your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.